Welcome to Nina's Thai Kitchen. As you know that my specialty is Thai food, but I also enjoy other cuisine as well. And today I'm craving for tempura. That's why I have Yoshi, my Japanese friend here. He's gonna show us how to make tempura. Hi Yoshi.
Hi Nina.
How are you?
Hi, very good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you for being here. And would you mind say hi to my audience?
はい、私の名前はヨシです。日本から来ました。今日は、天ぷらをお教えします。それでは、これから始めます。Let's get started!
Let's go! Tempura require very simple ingredients. Shrimp and your favorite vegetables. Peel shrimp, devein, and then we're going to cut 3 times at the bottom to make the shrimp straight. For vegetable, cut it into 1/4 inch pieces. I have carrot and kabocha squash and 2 kinds of mushrooms. Sweet yam. Broccoli tempura is my favorite. We're going to just separate it, and if it's too big, you can cut half. For eggplant, I'm going to do it easy way. Cut it into 4 pieces. Onion fries is one of the best, and we're going to use the toothpick to hold it together.
We are done with vegetables and shrimp prep.
Now it's time to make dipping sauce. It is very easy to make. We're just going to mix water, mirin, and soy sauce together. Boil it about 1 minute. And that's it, it's done. Let it cool down and serve it with grated daikon. Here it is, yummy!
Okay, hey Nina, so it's time to prepare the tempura batter.
Okay.
So first, you cut this big egg into the bowl. And just start gently, not to make it, so
You do it, huh?
Ah, me?
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you how to, start gently. So you put the water, 1 cup of water into, should be so cold.
This is very cold,
yeah.
like ice cold.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 cup.
Yes. And let's start again.
Okay.
Not too so hard, just gently.
Okay. Little trick here and there is make a big difference. So
Yes, that's right.
pay attention.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
That's good.
Now.
Then now, you should try. So
My turn.
Okay.
Now it's my turn to do it.
Yeah, and mix gently.
I see.
Yeah, looks nice. And you can see a little bit flour inside, but this is good side. So don't mix too much. It's not good for tempura.
We also tried the tempura batter mix. Pretty easy. 1 cup of the mix and 3/4 cup of icy water. The result of both batters are pretty close. Time to fry. Heat up oil at 350 Fahrenheit or drop the batter if it's bubbling and floating. It's ready.
Oh yeah, not yet.
Wow, look at my mushroom. Looks so good. For shrimp, cover it with dry flour first and dip it in the batter. In this way, the batter will stay with the shrimp. This is my new favorite, seaweed tempura. Dip seaweed only halfway in the batter and fry it only a few seconds. You can sprinkle sea salt to add a little flavor into it. This is optional. You can dip tempura with sea salt while you're eating. As always, we need to present it like a pro. I want to eat it now.
Me too.
Okay.
I can't wait.
Okay.
So Nina, when you eat something, you should say itadakimasu. It means that let's eat.
Oh, I want prawns. I'm gonna dip the sauce.
And you should say itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
Yes. And this is a
Mushroom.
Mushroom. And I'm gonna use salt.
This
And
is so good.
itadakimasu.
I'm gonna dip with the salt too now.
This is a real tempura, I think.
I never had it with salt before. I have to say that it's really good. Thank you, Yoshi. Today we have a good time and it's very easy and simple. And I hope that you will try it at home. If you like it, let me know. I can invite him from Japan again to show us how to cook Japanese food. And if you don't like it for any reason, don't call me, call him.
No.
Bye!
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends.